We are excited to announce the addition of a new service tool for the SWB 505 multi-mount weigh module. The multi-mount jacking tool comes in 3 different versions, one for each of the multi-mount sizes. The jacking tool is designed to assist our service organization with both installation and maintenance of load cells. First, always make sure that your tank or vessel is completely empty. Once that is complete, you will be ready to use the tool. Next, make sure you have your SafeLock spacer plates with you so that you can set them in place once the weight is completely relieved from the load cell. As you can see by the shape of the hex, the multi-mount jacking tool was designed to fit seamlessly over the anti-uplift bolt of the multi-mount. To relieve the weight from the load cell, the top plate of the multi-mount has to be raised just enough to fit the SafeLock spacer plate in between the top and bottom plates. Once the tool is in place, use a wrench to turn the jacking nut counterclockwise to lift the top plate of the module. After lifting the top plate to the appropriate height, where all the weight is relieved from the load cell, then install and secure the bottom SafeLock spacer plate. Once the SafeLock spacer plate is completely secured, you will lower the jacking tool and remove it. This ensures that the full weight of the vessel is resting on the SafeLock spacer plate and not on the load cell, thus making load cell maintenance an easier task. With the SafeLock spacer plate in place, you will be able to easily remove the load cell for maintenance. To reactivate the weigh module, place the jacking tool back onto the anti-uplift bolt and relieve the weight from the SafeLock spacer plate. Once the weight is lifted off of the plate, remove it and then lower the tool until all the weight is back on the load cell. You are now good to go. Thank you for watching the demonstration video of this new service tool. We hope this will make it much easier for you to service and install the SWB 505 multi-mount weigh module.